Hey, let me show you unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. So first let's take a look on the box if we got some information. No, there's nothing interesting, so let's go straight into the box. There we go. And at the first we can actually grab our smartwatch. It's actually the smartband. So there's this strap. It's like nice feeling when you touch it. So this is the strap. At the bottom we can find the sensor and the pins for the charger, and to turn it on we have to probably click and hold this button. So let's take a look if it is actually working. There we go. We can feel vibration. There's the Samsung logo on the screen. Now let's put it here and let's take a look for some other accessories. So from here we can actually find the cable. This is our charger. And right here we'll probably find some warranty and the paperwork. Yeah, so that's nothing interesting. So there we go, the Galaxy Fit 3 with this animation. Now when I swipe up I can change the language. And that's basically it. So yeah, that's all the quick unboxing of this device. If you are looking for some videos, for example, how to pair it, how to change some settings, just go into my channel, open the search engine and input all of these phrases that you are looking for. And right now, please subscribe.